we have finished Gurdongmar Lake, as you have seen that iconic beauty. After that we are at world's highest dosa point on the way to Gurdongmar Lake. In the morning we thought, while we are coming back we'll have dosa, but abhi to dosa khatam ho gaya. So right now it is closed. So this is here where you get, and that is where drivers go, and they give the permits, and they will entry their gadi, and from here, so this is one of the checkpoint where they will entry their vehicle and go to Gurdongmar Lake. So this is the first checkpoint, and the second checkpoint is at 15,000 feet. So yeah, the point is, this is the world's highest dosa point, guys. So when you come to Sikkim, please do come here, and all this money will go to this army people, and army people will they prepare dosa by themselves, and all this money will go to these people only. So just do help them, come eat dosa, enjoy karo. We have reached Lachen for lunch, so we'll pack our bags, we'll vacate the room, we'll put all our luggage in our car, and we will leave to Lachung. And while I'm climbing up, thoda sa mujhe, I felt really hard to take breath, so I've taken 2 stops in the middle. Like, means while I'm coming from down to upper of Gurdongmar Lake. So what I've done is, I've just taken 2-3 breaks to come up, and all of a sudden but yeah, I managed it. But you people must be very careful while you people come here. Yeah, just now we finished our lunch over here, but our room is over there. This is our room. Yeah, that's it. Right now we'll be heading towards Lachung. Quick update. On the way to Lachung, we people are going through a lake, beside a lake. So I thought I'll show you people that lake, because it's such a beautiful lake, Wait, let me show you. बहुत अच्छा है. Wow, guys, wow. I don't know, like, literally it's in green color. Wait, let me show you. So yes, we have reached Nala waterfalls. Once upon a time, this waterfalls, these people used to call as in Rane? Amitabh Bachchan waterfalls. Amitabh Bachchan waterfalls. These people used to call this waterfalls as Amitabh Bachchan waterfalls because this waterfall is like really huge. So you can see right. I'm seeing like this. So utta height mein, it's like from too height its water is flowing. So they used to call Amitabh Bachchan waterfalls, it seems. So yes, that's all for today. So right now I am in Lachong. So right now the temperature is 0 degrees. Right now the temperature is 0 degrees. In night it goes to somewhere around -3 degrees. So I'm literally freezing like anything. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed the video, just give a thumbs up. If you have some suggestions, just comment down below. I'll check out all of your comments. And yeah, that's it. Share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.